Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about generic class in Java. Uh, we will learn about how do we create a generic class in Java. So let's proceed friends. Here I have created one class with name box. So let's convert that class into generic class. So when we want to convert the given class in generic class, we always do use type parameter t. You can take any name here. We define always generic class in type parameter in angle brackets with letter t, or you can take any letter of your choice in this angle brackets. Okay, so friends, what does actually this type parameter means? uh, let's go into deeper about that type parameter t. So friends, here type parameter t is a placeholder for a data type. Okay, it allows us to create a generic class called box that can work with different data types. uh, when we create an instance of the box class, we specify the actual data type t. uh, we specify the actual data type that t should represent. Okay, for example, let's see friends, if we do have a box of books, so we can represent that generic class, or sorry, so when we create an object of that box class of having books, so we will have to write the code for that like this. Okay, like first of all we have to write the class name here box, later on the data type string, book box, and here new, class name as box, and the constructor. Okay friends, so here we have created an instance of class box with name book box. Okay, so friends, here what we have done, we have t sorry, here t is replaced with string data type. This specify the actual data types that the box instances will work with. Okay, so this flexibility allows us to use the box class with various data types while ensuring type safety. So here uh, the type parameter t the type parameter t acts as a placeholder for the actual data type that we specify when creating an instance of the class. Okay friends, so let's continue our code now. First of all, let's delete it. Now here we will have to we have to define the uh, parameters for class box. So let's proceed. Private t atom. So here we define one variable atom of any data type. Okay, this is t type parameter t. Now let's define one method, add atom. Pass the type parameter t and variable atom. And this dot atom equal to atom. Here we have differentiate between local and instance variable. Okay, let's create one more method for get atom. Add the return system statement. What we want in return, we do want it in return atom. Okay, let's save the code. Let's delete some spaces so our code will looks good. Fine friends, now let's go into main method. Now friends, let's create an instance of box with name book. Okay, so new box angle brackets constructor. Now let's come into left side, write the class name as the type parameter tree of string data type. Okay, write the name of the instance as books box, so book box. Okay, now friends, let's call our method add atom using the instance book box. Okay, book box dot add atom. Select the method and pass the message as Java programming book. Java fine friends. Now let's create same instance with name toy box. Okay, so let's proceed. New box, come into left side, write the class name, pass the data type string, write the name of the instance as toy box. Okay, save the code. So friends, here I do have error because I have missed the one double quote, so let's correct that. Okay, now let's proceed. Let's again we will have to call the add atom method using the instance toy box. Okay, so toy box dot select the method add atom and pass the message as Lego blocks. Lego blocks. Okay, friends. Now, friends, let's create one more instance of name fruit box using the same code procedure as we use above. So let's proceed. New box diamond operators, or you can call them as angle brackets, constructor. Now let's come into left side, write the class name, pass the data type as string, write the name of the instance as fruit box. Okay, let's save the code and again call the add atom method using the instance fruit box dot add atom and pass the message as apples. Save the code again. Now friends, let's call the get atom method to get the output to the console using the system.out.println method. Okay, so let's proceed. Pass the message as book plus call the get atom method using the instance book box dot get atom. Okay, repeat this procedure 2 times. So I am going to copy the line number 14 2 times and just change the object name here. Okay, toy box, and the last instance was is fruit box. Okay, friends. So friends, we have done with our code. We have completed our code for generic class. Let's save the code. So friends, let's run our code to get our output. So friends, now you can see that our output is book, Java programming book, Lego blocks, and book of apples. Okay, sorry friends, here we have to change some parameters. Here I have to write toy, and here again I have to write fruit. So now our output will get correct. Okay friends, so here we do have a programming book of Java and toy of Lego blocks and fruit apples. Okay, So friends, in this way we can use generic class in Java. So this is all about how to create a generic class in Java. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Code GP. Please help to grow my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding, happy coding. Thank you once again.